Today, I will teach you how to make a traditional Chinese yam cake, 芋头糕. In a wok, I will put in 100 grams of minced pork. Here, I'll put in more of it because I want to cook extra for myself. Season the pork with a pinch of white pepper. And also season your minced pork with 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Continue to stir fry it. Here I also will put in 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. You can use vegetarian stock or whatever stock you wanted to use. If you do not want to put in any stock, you can just skip this part. Continue to stir fry until the minced pork are fully cooked, and then you set it aside. Here I use 2 Chinese sausage for my yam cake. Cut the Chinese sausage into small little pieces. For this recipe, I just use half of the yam. This yam is around 1.5 kg. Choose the yam with a very round bottom so that this type of yam will be very soft after cooking. Cut the yam into small little cubes. Fry the Chinese sausage separately until it fragrance and is cooked. Here I also fry up 100 grams of dry shrimps. Set it aside after fully cooking it. Now we will start to fry our yam. To season the yam, put in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And also 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. Here you can put in 1 pinch of white pepper. I like the taste of 5 spice powder, so here I will put in a little bit more of 5 spice powder, around 2 teaspoons. Put in 2 cups of water. Yam needs more water to be cooked. Here I put in 1 pinch of salt. Because I find that the 5 spice powder is not enough, here I put in another 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. If you don't really like the taste of 5 spice powder, you can skip this part. Let it cook for around 7 minutes in high heat. So this is what I want for my yam. It is very soft now. Now for the flour part, I will use 250 grams of rice flour and 50 grams of cornstarch or corn flour. Put it all in a bowl. And put in 700 ml of water. You still have to season your flour, so here I put in around 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, two dash of white pepper, and 2 dash of salt. Here I put in 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and then you mix it up well. Make sure you do not have any lumps of flour in your mixture. Next, you got to heat up your flour. This part is to half cook your flour, and then when you put in your ingredients, it will not sink into the bottom. This is what we are looking for the flour. Now the flour is already half cooked. Now we start to put in all our ingredients. Remember to put in your yam, your dry shrimps, your lapcheung, which is your Chinese sausage, and also your minced pork. Here I will not finish putting all my minced pork. I only put in 100 grams of minced pork. Make sure you mix the mixture well. Now the mixture is ready for steaming. Remember to oil your pan. You can flatten the mixture with your spatula. Next, we'll put it in a steamer and steam it for around 35 to 45 minutes. So how do you know that it is already cooked? We will use the chopstick method. Poke it in and then you take a look. No flour stick to the chopstick means it is already fully cooked. Now we will let it cool down before we cut. Remember to oil the surface so that it will not dry out when you leave it outside. To decorate it, I have put sesame seed and also fried garlic and spring onion on top of it.